If you're wondering how to get My AI on Snapchat's new update, you are in the right place because today in this video I'll show you exactly how. Now first open Play Store or App Store and go to Snapchat and make sure you have your app updated so you have no upgrade button right here, only an open button. Once you have that done, you can go ahead and open Snapchat. From here you can swipe from the left side of the screen to access your chats or conversations. You can do that as well by tapping on the chat icon in the bottom right here. Once you are here in the screen, you'll find right under your Bitmoji at the top, you have the My AI conversation. All you need to do from here is to tap on it to open it, and you are basically good to go. You can from here have fun with My AI from Snapchat, ask it questions, request jokes, everything like that. I'm gonna go ahead and ask it a question right here, as you can see in the screen in front of you. Just like that. Now if you don't have My AI and you cannot find it even after updating your app, you can go to the main screen of Snapchat right here and then tap on your Bitmoji in the top left corner of the screen. It will take you to your profile. From here tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. It will take you to your settings. Now from here scroll all the way down to the bottom. You will find I need help button right here, tap on it, and you'll find the My AI category, tap on it again. You'll find a lot of options that can help you. Now you look for the how do I access My AI on Snapchat. This one right here. Now once you find it, all you need to do from here is to open it, and then you have a lot of other options and suggestions you can do to get My AI on Snapchat. You can experiment from here and try every single option from this section. Now this is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.